Hi, welcome to the second of my bike check videos. This time we're looking at the cross-country bike. So this is my Cube Stereo 120 HPA Race, which is far too long a name, so I call her Lola. As the name suggests, it's 120mm travel front and rear, Manitou minute forks with rebound and compression adjust, and the shock is a Manitou Radium, again with rebound. Both air shocks. I tend to run them fairly firm because I like quite a lively ride on this one. It's aluminium frame, 16-inch size because I'm short. So let's start at the top and work our way down. So the rev grips, suspension handlebar grips, they are stupidly expensive for grips, but if you consider them to be a suspension component, they're quite good. There's a certain amount of twist and give in them, so the grip body itself doesn't contact the bar, so they're kind of floating, which does really well to get rid of trail chatter. Combine that with the Renthal Fat Bar Light carbon bars. Again, they just have that little bit of vibration absorption, which helps dampen the ride. Answer Rove stem. I swapped it out for the original Cube stock model because I wasn't overly fond of it and it didn't look very nice. Moving to the rear, specialised Phenom saddle, the most comfortable saddle I've ever used. I have one on one of my road bikes as well, they're that comfortable. And that sits on top of a Fox Transfer Performance dropper post with black stanchion rather than the cashmere because it just matches the rest of the stanchions and I like it. And we run that with a PNW loam lever. The stock Fox Transfer levers were a little bit wobbly. That is beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of engineering in itself. Stopping the whole shebang are Hope E4 brakes, because although I may be short, I'm blooming heavy and not what you might call a skilled rider, so I need all the stopping power I get. And I use Uberbike finned Race Matrix pads to help grip the Shimano Ice Tech rotors. So that's the stop components. The go components, Shimano XT shifter and mech. The rear mech was just fitted today. XT cranks, a Superstar oval chainring, just gives a little bit more power, equalises out the power stroke, and that runs a Sunrace 11 to 50 cassette. Now the mech's only rated to 46 teeth, but it works quite well with the 50. Wheels are Answer ATAC wall-mounted Enduro CMPs apparently, and I run the nuke-proof ARD tyre insert, and currently the tyres are E13s, the TRSR on the front and the LG1 semi-slick on the rear. Pedals are Superstar Nanos, not quite as blingy as the bolts on the downhill bike, but bang for buck are probably the best value pedals I've used, and they are incredibly grippy. So that's the bike. Any questions, pop them in the comments below. Love it if you're subscribed, give the video a like, check out the other bits on the channel. Thank you very much. Oh, here comes the cat. Hello, pussycat. Being invaded. Don't know if you can quite see this down here, but what? Do you want food? Hello. Go away. Busy. Doing stuff. Do you want to be in the video as well? Do you? Well, let's do a cat check. This is Fraser, our slightly tubby tabby, who likes to eat and sleep and do, well, not a lot else. Go on. Scram. Skedaddle. Be gone. Go on. Depart. Don't ask me. Go on. Should we find you some food?